Hi, I'm Leah. We're at my sewing room.
Hi, I'm Linda.
We're your fearless unboxing team.
Duo.
I want to sneak out of the video this direction today again.
I can tell you do that.
And then I'm going to do a little unboxing video for you today. Because I think unboxing videos are fun. And we got a very large shipment of one machine yesterday. Very large shipment. So I have lots. This would be a machine that I'm showing you guys that I would let my kids sew on. We're a new sewer.
A new sewer. People want to make their mask. Or they want to get into clothing sewing.
Yeah.
Hint, hint, wink, wink.
This machine could handle those things.
Absolutely.
Or just a little bit of like mending and the odd
Pajama
household repair.
pants. Come on
Yeah,
now.
so many options.
So many options.
So this is a Brother XR37T. I'm going to switch sides with you.
Okay.
I'll let you unbox today. They've watched me unbox things.
Like when you open it up, it's got that amazing...
New machine smell?
I know, it's like nothing in the world. Styrofoam. Oh, comes with a hard case too.
Ooh, those are rare these days.
They are. Usually they're all plastic, right?
Are you good? I can go that high if you want.
I probably can't. Let's get this out first.
Oh, what's that?
Should we open this up now?
Sure. Let's open that up first. I love boxes inside boxes.
Yeah, well, it's like, oh, what's in here? What's in here? My goodness, who packed this? Oh, this
Brother
is the
did.
table. This is the sewing table. Look at that.
Nice.
That is a really good size too, right?
Yes, it is.
If you're doing any kind of piecing, you need to have a table. Just don't have your fabric hanging over the edge. Oh, nice. Instructions, but who reads instructions, right? Yeah.
You don't need instructions. You're going to watch our YouTube videos of how to use your brother's sewing machine.
I can't lift that
Oh, fair enough.
because you're taller than me.
I also lift machines all day long every
Yes,
day.
I know. I don't know how you guys do it.
I just do it all day, and then it's just what we do. Nice hard case, good for putting away in the
That's-
cupboard, in the closet.
This would make an amazing portable machine too, you know.
So someday when
Assuming
we're allowed
we,
to go places
yeah,
again,
that's.
I can put that in.
It's purple, Leah. My favorite color. Oh wow! Look at that.
So all mechanical.
Speed, width, length.
Oh no, tension is your first one there.
Thank you. I'm looking at it upside down, thinking it's speed, right? Look at that. Look, you even have buttonholes, blind hands for putting on your binding. Wow.
Decorative stitches.
You can easily do machine applique with that. As I struggle to take the tape off.
Linda versus tape. It's almost as funny to watch as Leah versus styrofoam.
There.
Ooh, a little bag of goodies.
What do you think's in a little bag of goodies? This is really good for keeping M&Ms in. Ooh, look. There is our amazing buttonhole maker. Oops, sorry. Buttonhole maker. Too close. This is an extra spool for doing twin sewing that I have a YouTube video on. Extra needles. Let's see what's through here. Zipper foot. You know, putting in zippers are actually quite easy. YouTube video on that. Is that an edge stitcher? I've not seen that
That's
one.
a blind hem.
A blind hand.
Yeah,
I've
different
never,
hem.
yeah, I've never
Blind
seen
hem.
one like that.
Yep.
Cool. And your little caps for your thread up here. The screwdriver,
The all-important screwdriver.
which most people think, oh, I didn't know I could undo the screws with that. 3 extra bobbins, class 15. And sewing our button foot on. Cleaning out your lid in your bobbin case. We never use a seam ripper, do we?
Oh no, I tell everybody that they need one because nobody's perfect.
Some of us have a PhD in this. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, put this stuff out.
It's a good starter set. Basic sewing feet, enough to get you started with regular garment sewing type activities.
And it's a brother, so we've got all the educational videos out.
And it's a foot pedal power cord combo, which means you're less likely to end up at your cabin without one or the other, if this is your portable machine. And they'll both tuck inside the cover in the front of the machine for you.
Can I put that back in?
Yeah, probably.
Or is it this way?
It's probably that way.
But I didn't put that in, Leah.
Oops.
Put it back in the M&M container.
Nice contained unit for
Everything together. You know, before machines never ran without the foot pedal. Now that they can do either or, when we used to be able to go to quilt retreats, right? Somebody inevitably forgot this, right?
Yeah, this one doesn't have a stop-start button.
No, it
Because
doesn't.
it is all mechanical. But that means there's just one less thing to go on.
Yes, that's quite true. Very nice.
Nice little machine. And it's not super heavy.
It's not heavy at all. And the fact that you get a hard case with it is amazing.
Now the total weight on the box is 22 pounds. So very, very portable. You'll have to have the handle up to get the lid on.
I figured that out. Yeah. Obviously, I don't do this for a living, right?
That's okay.
Oh. Yay!
Nicely done. It's a nice little machine. Like I said, I got a whole bunch of them in because when you order this type of machine right now in 2020, 2021, you get your entire shipment at once. They don't spread it out over 6 months like they used to.
No.
So it's always a surprise with arriving. So that's the machine we were going to show you today.
That's awesome. That one goes there.
Has a good needle threader on it too.
Oh, I didn't show that.
No, it's all taped up.
Crap.
We'll show that another day.
Okay.
We'll
That is so cool.
film a couple minutes of video on it one of these days.
There's a CD in here, I bet you, with the manual.
Yeah.
Most manuals don't come in paper anymore, which is good. Just stick it on your laptop.
Yeah.
And they're usually all Adobe, so it's easy to find something.
That's nice. I like it. So that's what we were going to share with you guys today. I'm going to say thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
And be safe.
Be kind.
And be calm, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.